straight away into the next one. So this last time we came 4th, now we came 6th. Can we be in the top 3? Can we make it to the top 3? Let's try. Whoa, we got some big cars here. Ooh. Oh, I like that Elemento Lamborghini there. Elemento looks cool. Wouldn't mind having a real one in my garage. That would be great. I'd love to collect cars, but yeah, it's too expensive. And I mean, yeah, you can see them, wash them, look at them, but you can't drive all of them. But they can also be good investments. Oh dear, I wasn't watching that one. No, we're not going to be in the top 3 if this carries on. Okay, let's make a turn there. Let's just go different ways. It's not the way I usually go, but just changed it up. Okay, no, we're not going to go that one. That's the longer route, by the way. Oh! This is when you need touch drive for that. Oh, this track, touch drive works. Going solo, this is probably one of the most difficult ones. If you're really good at it, please post your video and a link to it in the comments and say, hey, watch this one, Norman. Yeah, because this is just, oh, wow. Oh, and again. Okay. Did we manage to get past anyone? Nah. Oh, no. Right, Capita, I'm lost. Okay, so not doing too well. Let's touch drive off. But anyway, it's, yeah, I can improve on it later, I guess. Let's try one more. Come on, we got to do it. We have to do it. What's the time? I have a lesson. Oh, I have a lesson in 14 minutes time. Okay, so this will have to be the last one. I'm either going to make it or break it, and we can laugh about this video. You can make your comments and tell me how terrible I was. Yeah, anyway, I'll do a better job next time. If not now. Okay, let's focus. This one. We can just clear the bridge there. Oh dear, didn't land where I needed to. Okay, this is really not good. Okay, let's do this. Go here and we'll grab that one. That was nicely done, if I do say so myself. Take the corner. Again, take that corner, bang it. Okay, we are catching someone here. Oh, I went the wrong way. I should have gone that way, I reckon. Yeah, it's fine. We'll just do that. And I never know. Sometimes the top is better. Sometimes the bottom is better. I know I could have jumped off earlier already. It's fine. Yay! We overtook someone. Can we just not make mistakes and stay there? Okay, Norman landed. Oh! I shouldn't have done the spinning. I couldn't see where I was going. Oh! Okay, well. Yes, come on. Yeah, okay, so we did overtake someone, did we? Yes, we came 6th. We lost 2 points, but we overtook 2 people. 6 out of 8.